What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank credit card delivery. Gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating yung Metrobank credit card sa delivery address ninyo? Nung pagka-apply ninyo ng Metrobank credit cards tapos na-approve, gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating doon sa bahay ninyo or ilang days nga ba siya? Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano kayo mag-follow up, paano ninyo i-follow up yung Metrobank credit card delivery ninyo kapag na-approve na yung Metrobank credit card application ninyo. At the same time, pag-uusapan na natin guys kung saan kayo tatawag para mag-follow up. And of course, ano yung dapat nyong gawin kapag hindi dumating or hindi successfully delivered yung Metrobank credit card ninyo sa delivery address ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Metrobank credit card delivery typically takes about 2 weeks, around 10 to 14 working days after approval depending on your location. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Yung Metrobank credit card delivery ay nagtatagal kadalasan ng 2 linggo or 2 weeks. Around 10 to 14 working days after approval. Take note lang guys, working days siya tapos after approval. Nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card ninyo, tapos nag-text na yung Metrobank credit card application ninyo is approved, ngayon it's time for you to count about your Metrobank credit card delivery time frame or kung ilang days bago dumating sa bahay ninyo. As you can see dito is 10 to 14 working days. So, working days siya, ibig sabihin hindi kasama yung holidays at the same time yung weekends. Dapat Monday to Friday lang, tapos yung Monday to Friday na yan, dapat yung holiday, if ever may holiday sa week na yan, hindi kasama sa bilang yon. Metro Manila deliveries are faster, of course. Often within 3 to 5 working days lang. So kapag yung delivery address ninyo sa Metrobank credit card delivery address ninyo is within Metro Manila, like for example, Quezon City, Mandaluyong, Pasig, Caloocan, so within Metro Manila yan. So 3 to 5 working days lang, maaari nang dumating yung Metrobank credit card ninyo. While provincial areas can take up to 10 to 15 working days. Ito yung matagal guys kapag outside Metro Manila na, provincial areas na, around 10 to 15 working days na siya. You can track the delivery directly via the Metrobank application using your 13-digit reference number. So, di ba nung nag-apply kayo guys, ngayon, paano nga ba i-track yung status ng Metrobank credit card delivery ninyo? Or how to track Metrobank credit card delivery status? Kailangan guys, sa Metrobank application. Di ba binigyan kayo nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card? Right after the application process, binigyan kayo ngayon ng reference number. Yun yung gagamitin nyo ngayon kapag itatrack ninyo yung status ng Metrobank credit card delivery ninyo via Metrobank application. Hindi lang yun guys, pwede rin kayo tumawag sa Metrobank Customer Service. Lalong-lalo na kung naguguluhan kayo about tracking your Metrobank credit card delivery using Metrobank application, so much better to call Metrobank Contact Center at 88-700-700. So as you can see, 28 tapos 2700. So, doon kayo magtanong kung ano yung nangyayari sa Metrobank credit card delivery ninyo. Key details on Metrobank credit card delivery. Approval to delivery. Most cards are delivered within 2 weeks. So, as you can see dito guys, kadalasan talaga sa mga card nila is 2 weeks talaga bago dumating sa bahay ninyo. Tracking. Use the Metrobank app or Facebook page tracking feature. So, meron sa Metrobank application guys, as I have just mentioned earlier, pwede rin naman sa Facebook page. Puntahan niyo yung Metrobank official Facebook page. Then pwede kayo doon magtanong. Tracking steps. So, ito yung mga hakbang guys kung paano i-track yung Metrobank credit card delivery ninyo. Open the application, go to the login page, tap credit card application and delivery. Select delivery status and enter your 14-digit reference number. Kaya naman guys, nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card, dapat tinabi ninyo yung Metrobank credit card application reference number. para mabilis lang yung mga tracking process about your Metrobank credit card delivery status. Couriers. Metrobank uses third-party couriers for delivery. So si Metrobank guys is may parang partner shipping company na kung saan sila yung magde-deliver ng Metrobank credit cards ninyo. If you have not received your card within 2 weeks, you can check your application status by calling the Metrobank card hotline at 88700-700. So ngayon, nakalipas na yung 2 linggo, wala pa rin dumarating na Metrobank credit card sa inyo, hindi pa rin successfully delivered yung Metrobank credit card. It's time to call their hotline which is 88700-700. Ngayon, tanungin ninyo si customer service representative ni Metrobank. Of course, guys, kapag tumawag kayo doon, make sure lang na masagutin niyo yung verification process. Of course, yung registered mobile number, yung email, kinakailangan niya, tsaka yung birthday, tsaka yun. Tsaka of course, yung Metrobank credit card application reference number. Dapat alam ninyo yun kasi unang-una itatanong yun ni Metrobank customer service representative. At tsaka guys, ito tip lang, no? Para ma-receive ninyo yung mga notifications ni Metrobank about your Metrobank credit card delivery, make sure lang guys na yung registered mobile number and email address, kung ano yung nilagay nyo nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card, dapat na-access nyo talaga yun. Kasi kapag hindi nyo ma-access yun, paano nyo ngayon makikita yung notification ni Metrobank about your Metrobank credit card delivery? Kailangan na kailangan yun guys. Actually, hindi yun talaga para ganun-ganun lang. Nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card, dapat yung ilalagay yung mobile number or email address is na-access nyo talaga siya. Specifically, yung mobile number is dapat yun talaga yung ginagamit nyo araw-araw. Para nakikita ninyo yung mga notification, kung ano yung nangyayari sa credit card delivery, sa Metrobank ninyo, ano yung status, lahat makikita nyo doon. Ngayon, kung hindi talaga malocate yung address nyo guys, ano yung dapat nyo gawin? So, ito yung dapat nyo gawin guys kapag hindi mo talaga o hindi talaga dumating yung Metrobank credit card ninyo sa bahay ninyo sa nominated address, much better to request or to call Metrobank Contact Center para mag-request kayo ng pick up by branch. So, ano ibig sabihin ng pick up by branch? Doon yan ngayon i-deliver sa Metrobank kung saan nyo gusto ipa-deliver na Metrobank branch. Make sure lang guys na yung Metrobank branch na yun is mapupuntahan nyo pagkadating doon ng credit card ninyo para mas mabilis siya. Ganun yung ginagawa ko kapag hindi dumarating sa address ko yung credit card. Yung ginagawa ko is pinipick up by branch ko na lang. Si branch mismo yung kukuha ng credit card tapos of course kapag nag-claim kayo, kailangan na kailangan yung valid ID. As proof of identity, nasa inyo talaga yung credit card na yon na dineliver sa kanila. Kasi yung iba, alam mo naman, yung iba, delikado kasi yung kapag na-activate, pwede nila magamit ka agad yun. Yung Metrobank credit card na yon. Kaya naman be aware kayo dun guys sa mga ganong requirements kapag nag-pick up by branch kayo. Then ito guys, inuulit ko lang na yung mobile number at saka email is dapat talaga na-access nyo ha. Kasi doon talaga ipapadala lahat ng notifications about your Metrobank credit card delivery status. At kung wala talaga, tumawag kayo sa Metrobank Customer Service para tanungin kung ano yung nangyayari sa delivery ng Metrobank credit card ninyo, bakit hindi pa rin dumating. Ngayon kung nakailang attempt na at hindi pa rin talaga dumating, it's time to call Metrobank credit card hotline number para mag-request ng pick up by branch. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!